Hello everyone, this is part 29 of our playlist Full Stack Python. Okay, so this is a training course. Okay, this is not just a video but a training course. Okay, in today's video we will discuss some MCQ practice. Okay, what we will do? We will do MCQ practice. Okay, and notes is given in the description. You can download the notes. Okay, I provide the link in the description of this video. You can check all the notes. Okay, so we will go with this on this link and we will practice some MCQ question of for loop. Okay, so for example, see, the first question is the for loop in Python is an entry control loop, exit control loop, both of the above, and none of the above. What should be the correct answer? Okay, so try to give a correct answer. So correct answer is entry control loop. Okay, entry control loop. So the for loop is an entry control loop. Okay, see next question. Break in Python is used to restart a loop, terminate a loop, to jump in between the loop. None of the above. Okay, select any correct answer. So this is break is known as terminate a loop. Break is used to terminate a loop. Okay, in Python. Now see, a loop block in Python start start with start with a semicolon, start with semicolon, comma, or colon, or hash symbol. So which symbol we can start for loop? A loop in Python, how we can start? Let's see, with the help of column. Okay, we apply column in order to write the loop. How many loops are there in Python? Two loops, for loop and while loop. There is no do while loop in Python. Okay, do while loop is not available in Python. All right. Which of the following loop is not supported by the Python programming language? Okay, I already give you answer. Now for loop, while loop, do while loop, or none of the above. Okay, ready with answer? Show the answer. So do while loop. Okay, do while loop is not there in Python. Which of the following is not a valid keyword of Python associated with loops? Continue, check, range, or break. See, check is not there. Check is not there in Python associated with loop. Okay, select which is true for loop. Okay, Python's for loop used to iterate over the items of list, tuple, dictionary, set, or string. B is else cause of for loop in executed when the loop terminates naturally. Third is else cause of for loop is executed when the loop terminates abruptly. Okay. The last is we use for loop when we want to perform a task indefinitely until a particular condition is met. What's the correct answer? Ready with answer? Let's check the answer. So A is the correct. Python's for loop used to iterate over the items of list, tuple, set, or string. We can iterate the item of list, tuple, dictionary, set, or string. Okay. Which of the question number 7 is which of the following is false regarding for loops in Python? Which is false? We have to identify the false statement. Loops are used to perform certain tasks repeatedly. While loop is used when multiple statements are to execute it repeatedly until the given condition becomes true. Third is which loop is used when multiple statements are to execute it repeatedly until the given condition comes false. The last is for loop can be used to iterate through the element of list. So which one is true? Ready with the answer? Okay, let's see the answer. While loop is used when multiple statements are to execute it repeatedly. Okay, until the given condition become false. Okay, until the condition will not false, it will execute the statements. Which loop? While loop. Okay, so what is the correct answer? C is the correct answer. Okay. Now, which of the following is true regarding loops in Python? So which of the following is true regarding loops in Python? First is loop should be ended with keyword end. Okay. The second is no loop can be used to iterate through the elements of the string. The third is continue is used to continue with the remaining statements inside the loop. Okay. Break for this, break can be used to bring control out of the current loop. So are you ready with the answer? Show the answer. Break can be used to bring control out of the current loop. So correct answer is D. Okay. Correct answer is D. And now come forward with ninth question. Uh, when does the else statement written after loop executes? When does the else statement written after loop executes? When loop condition becomes false, when break statement is executed in the loop, else statement is always executed, none of the above. So are you ready with this with your answer? See the answer. When loop condition become false, when loop condition become false. So the correct answer of this question, when does the else statement written after loop execute? So the correct answer is when loop condition becomes false. Okay. Now let's talk about 10th question. So dash in Python is a counter controlled loop for while both A and B, none of the above. So which is the correct? Are you ready with answer? Show the answer. For. Okay. The correct answer is for. For in the Python is a counter controlled loop. Okay. So which is the counter controlled loop? For. Okay. So when you know the uh, n value, n means how many number of time you need to repeat the statement, use for loop. When you don't know how many time you want to execute the loop, use while loop. Okay. When number is finite or known, when number is unknown, then if number is unknown, use while. If number is known, use for. Okay. 11 is a count control loop will repeat code until a condition is met, repeat code a specific amount of time, repeat code a random amount of time, and none of the above. Are you ready with the answer? See the answer. So repeat code a specific amount of time. Okay. A count control loop will repeat code a specific amount of time. This is the correct answer. Okay. 12th is I wants to continuously check for a correct answer each time user enter a value. What loop should I use? Okay. So which loop should I use? For or while? For or while? Which is the correct answer? Are you ready with answer? Let's see the answer. So while loop. So in this case, we will use while loop. Okay. What is another word for iteration? What is the another word of iteration? Selection, assignment, sequencing, repetition. Which is the correct one? Repetition. Okay. Repetition. Iteration also known as repetition. Okay. 14th question is X want to allow the program to repeatedly ask the user to enter the choice if it does not equal to the answer. Which loop option should X use? So A, while choose equals to answer, and then it will ask choice, or while choice not equals to answer, then ask choice, while answer not equals to choice, then ask choice, while answer equals to not choice, then ask choice. What should be the correct regarding this statement, regarding this question? So are you ready with answer? See the answer. So answer is B. While choice not equals to answer, then take input as a choice. Okay. So this is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Okay. 15th is code repeated, or we can say looped until a condition has been met or a set of number of times. So what is the correct answer? Sequence, iteration, selection, or variable? What's the correct answer? Are you ready with answer? Okay, see, iteration. Okay, B is the correct iteration. Code repeated or looped until a condition has been made or a set number of times. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is iteration. Iteration means repetition. Why is iteration important? Why iteration is important? Check the answers. It it determines the order in which instructions are carried out. B, it allow multiple paths through a program. C, it allow code to be specified by removing repeated steps. D, it ensure the code work correctly. Okay. So are you ready with the answer? All right. So correct answer is what? It allows code to be simplified by removing repeated steps. Okay. So this is the correct answer. Why is iteration important? So correct answer is C. Okay. Now talk about 17th question. While term describe a loop that continue repeating without a terminating ending condition. Okay, terminate means ending. Okay, infinite loop, conditional loop, ultimate, 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 unlimited loop. Sorry, unlimited loop, sequence loop. So, are you ready with the correct answer? All right, let's check. So, infinite loop. Okay, which term describe a loop that continues repeating without a terminating. So, if there is no termination, means this is infinite loop. Okay, if there is no termination, termination means stop point. To access a list which contains 10 elements, which of the following uses of range would produce a list of the described indexes? Okay, range 1 to 10, range 0 to 9, range 10, range 1 to 11. So are you ready with the answer, everyone? C, range 10. Correct answer is C. Okay. Okay. Uh, So we didn't discuss about list. So we will see this question. Write the output of the following code. So what would be the output of the following code? For I in range 2. 2 is what? 2 is starting value. 7 is what? Ending value. And this 2 is what? Step value. So print I asterisk dollar symbol. Okay, so what would be the output? $2, $4, $6, and B is dollar dollar, 4 times dollar, and 6 times dollar. C is $2, $4, $6, and none of the above. Are you ready with answer, everyone? Are you ready with answer? We have to execute this code and we have to give the answer. So what should be the correct answer? Are you ready? Yeah. So this would be the correct answer. Okay. Because we are multiplying with string. Okay. We are multiplying integer value with string. So it will, what it will do? It will multiply strings. Okay. Like this. Okay. In first iteration 2, second iteration 4, and third iteration is 6. Find the right output of the following code. Okay. For example, our code is x equals to a b c d e f and I equals to a, while I in x. What is the initial value of I? A. What is the x value? X value is a b c d e. Okay. So a comma end with space. All right. So what would be the correct output? What would be the correct output? A, or 6 times a, or infinite time of a, or code will generate error. So what would be the correct answer? It will generate infinite time of a. All right. So this is the correct answer. Okay. All right. So that's all. Okay. So this is the training course. We are learning theory. Okay. We will not miss anything. We will learn theories. We will learn MCQs. MCQs. Okay. Theory and programs. Okay. And projects. Okay. And what hacker ranks problems. Hacker rank problems. Okay. That's why I'm saying this is a training course. In this training course, we will not ignore the theory. We will not ignore any like basic program. We will do basic program to advanced program. After completion this module, this is Python basic module. After completion this module, we will do a project. You can create project. Okay. You will create project and you can mention that project link in your resume. We will solve hacker rank problem. Okay. HackerRank is a global coding platform. If you have good rank on HackerRank, then your rank is globally acceptable. Many of the companies hire employees from the HackerRank only. Okay. So I already told you, like, take 2 certificates from the HackerRank. One is basic certificate. Okay. This is one, and second is problem solving. Problem solving. Okay. Problem solving certificate. These are the free certificate you can take from the HackerRank, and you can add link of this certificate in your resume. Okay, so whenever you send your CV somewhere, then if somebody will see you solve like basics, you have a basic certificate and problem solving certificate, and you have some particular rank on HackerRank, then your CV will shortlist. Okay, the shortlisting possibility is more if you do certificates and HackerRank's problem. Don't worry, we will also do here HackerRank problem. If you don't know how we can solve problems, we will learn step by step. Okay, so again, I would like to tell you something. Okay, for example, this is n. Okay, so we are at this point right now. This is what? This is hard work. Hard work. This is hard work, and this is result. Okay. For example, you will do lots of hard work at this stage, and you will get this much result, like very small result. Then again you will do lots of hard work, and again you will get only the small result. Okay. And you will, when you will do more hard work, now your result will increase. Okay. So now as much as you hard work, your result will increase. So don't quit. If you will quit here, then your result will not be increase. Okay. When you go to the top of this graph, when you go to the top, so what you are doing, your work is reduced. Okay. You are not giving so much input, but your result is increased. Okay. Okay. But in starting, you have to do lots of hard work. You have to solve lots of problems. Then you will get like this much result. You will say, I'm getting syntax error. You may say, like, I'm not able to understand problems. Okay. You are not able to solve problem. You can say, I'm not able to build logic. I'm not capturing logic. So when you practice like 100 and like 200 problems, then you can easily find out the logics of the problem. So at least try 200 problem in 2-3 months. Go through with problems. After each problem have some logic. When you go through with 200 logics, then only you can think logic of any problem. Okay. So everyone, do not stop, do not give up. Okay, stay tuned and be consistent. If you will be consistent, your effort day by day reduce, and your result day by day will increase. Okay, your effort reduce and your result increase. Okay, so thank you everyone for giving me your valuable time. Okay, all right. So thank you everyone. Let me write thank you for you. Thank you for giving me your precious time. Okay. And always be happy. Always keep a smile on your face. Never be sad. Never be depressed. Okay. Try to solve problems. If you have emotions, then code your emotion. Okay. Code your angerness. So whatever you have, depression, anger, frustration, write code. Just write code. Do not talk to so many papers. Just talk to with your computer and write code. Solve many problems, hacker ranks problem, basic problem. If you're not able to solve hacker rank problem, start from basic problem, basics problem. Okay. So we will discuss also in the upcoming videos. So thank you everyone for giving me your valuable time. Bye. Stay happy. All right.